Hi guys, so I'm at a local lake, just a little small pond. We're going to be drop shotting for perch today. I was here the other day trying to do a video catching roach on the feeder, but I failed miserably. But while I was here I noticed there was some shoals of perch. Normally when I go drop shotting I fail miserably because I never find the fish, so I thought I'd give it a go, see if I can catch half a dozen, maybe a dozen of small perch. None of them are very big in here. There is also a river just sort of over the back there, so I might give a go over there if I do well here. Okay, let's have a go. Also, there's been a massive storm here this morning, well, across the country, but it looks like it might storm again, so I don't know how long I got. The car's only there, so I can always leg it to that if I need to. Third cast, got myself a fish. Oh, he's off. Lovely little perch. Oh, good boy, put your fin up for me. Okay, he can go back. Let's get another one. Swims. This is a bit deeper here and also a bit more gravelly, so hopefully I should be able to get better action on the lure. So one perch so far, a couple of bites. Let's see how we get on. Still a bit of weed. Thing is, with the river, I know there's big perch in here. Also nice chub as well, so I guess I could catch any of those. Trouble is just finding them. Oh, there's a load of fry there. That's a good place to start. Don't know if you can see that. Okay. Okay, that's it on the river. I'm going to go back on the lake where I know there's some fish, just catch some small ones. I'm going to fiddle around changing them in different lures. I'm sure we can get them biting. Let's hope so. Okay, I'm back on the original lake. I'm going to try one of these little wormy things. I'm just going to try lots of different baits, see what happens. Got to get some fish soon. I might also extend my length of my trace. It's a bit short, I think. So I've got two perch now. Got one in the net there, I'll show you in a minute. He's only about 6 inches, but he's big enough to take the bait. So I've gone back to my little spiky perchy thing, which seems to be the one that they'll actually take. They follow the other ones, but they're not taking it. Let's see if I can get one on camera. Fish on. He nailed it. Hooray, got a fish on camera, that's good. And a better perch as well. Hold it. Come on. Okay, so I'm about done now. Had 4 perch. I was hoping for 6, but I suppose 4's okay. I'll just show you these two. The problem is most of them aren't very big. It's the best one, only a few ounces. And another one here, a little one. Come here, you bugger. Beautiful fish though, lovely silver grey in this pond. If I drop that bloody fish one more time. Okay, right, we'll get them back. I'm going to just quickly tie on a lure, see if I can get a pike. You never know. All right. Okay, that's the end of that session. Yeah, reasonable success. I was hoping to catch a few more, but I guess there's only really the one spot that it's got any fish in it, so I suppose they're bound to get spooked after a while. Okay, well, thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, but mainly subscribe. Cheers, see you soon.